Hi friends, this is the Zimmer Aufraumen laundry liquid detergent which I am using for the past 2 months, and in this video I am going to show washing of a quilt in my LG washing machine using this liquid. So I have already tried out Zimmer Aufraumen dishwasher detergent liquid 2 years ago, and I have uploaded a video of the same in September 2023. You can find the link of the same above. And so recently when I was going through their website, I found some interesting products. So I wrote to them requesting for sending some samples, and they immediately sent me samples of few of their products, not only this laundry liquid detergent, but other products as well. So ever since I got it, I've been using it. I've tried it not only in my LG washing machine, but also in my son's new LG washing machine. So in this video, you'll be seeing washing of quilt using one program cycle. I've tried out washing of various fabrics in different wash cycles in both the machines using this laundry liquid detergent. I'll be subsequently uploading those videos as well. And also I'll be posting videos of other Zimmer Aufraumen products in my channel soon. So keep looking out for the same. After you see the wash program using this liquid detergent, I'll be sharing details about the product, like their specifications and other things as they have provided, and also my experience of how I have found it after using it for this 2 months. And so I would request you to watch the video till the end. So this video is a sponsored one, but my review is going to be unbiased and honest as always. So I'm going to use this liquid for washing this rajai or quilt in this LG washing machine. It's quite dirty, as you can see. The material looks to be cotton and it is handmade. It's not any branded quilt or rajai, and there is no wash instruction given in this. You can see that it has occupied the full volume of the tub. Now selection of program. I'm going to select cotton program, which is by default it goes to 60 degrees and 1000 rpm, 3 hours 10 minutes, but I'll reduce the spin to 800. I'll maintain 60 degrees because it is cotton, and I want pre-wash. Then I want to save time. I don't want 3.5 hours just for one item, so I'll reduce it. Time save I've used, so it's become 2 hours 18 minutes. But I want to do rinse plus as well. There is one more rinse, final rinse, and I can use, because it is 60 degrees, I can use the bio option and the crease care option. So finally it will run for 2 hours 36 minutes. So first I'll add this liquid in the pre-wash compartment. So the dosage of liquid specified per wash load according to them is 40 to 60 ml, but by trial and error of using for the past 2 months, I have arrived at a range of 20 to 30 ml per load, depending on the number of clothes and the type of soiling, whether it is daily wear or it is severely soiled and all. So I've got a cup here with markings. This is 25 ml and this is 50 ml. So I'll just add slightly less than, I'll just add 25 ml in the pre-wash. I'll wait for the pre-wash to be completed to add liquid in the detergent compartment. So you just saw the pre-wash is gone. So I'm just I took slightly more than 25, that is 35 ml I've taken, because already some liquid will be there. I could have put the liquid earlier also, but I just wanted to avoid any liquid being drawn during the pre-wash cycle. So this laundry liquid detergent is suitable both for front as well as top load washing machines, And one more thing is it has got fabric conditioner and softener, so there is no need for additional fabric conditioner while using this liquid. So overall it appears to be washed thoroughly because it was a very long program, and the touch and feel is very good. It is quite soft because of the fabric softener. Just as a mild fragrance, no artificial fragrance in this. I think it's done a very good job. As you can see, this is a 1 liter pack. You get in other pack sizes like 5 liter. So the MRP of this 1 liter pack is 330. Usually you get at a reduced price in Amazon and Flipkart, and also in their website. So from the date of manufacture, it can be used up to 24 months. So the liquid detergent is blue in color and it is mildly fragrant. So according to them, there are no harsh chemicals like peroxides and phosphates which cause harm to the clothes, color and environment, and hence it does not cause allergy. So in comparison to other detergents, they have used coconut palm based surfactants which prevents fading of color, and they have not used synthetic fragrance. Instead they use natural fragrant oil. Hence you can see the clothes are lightly scented, and because of fabric conditioner already present in this, the fabric is well protected and also the softness is maintained. So now over to my thoughts on this product. Firstly, the washing is very effective. It is good in removing dirt and stains. So personally, I'll say that I'm very happy using this product because it has got less chemicals and more of natural ingredients, just causing less harm to the environment. And it is more cost effective because of not using additional fabric conditioner. And at the same time, it will be cheaper if you buy a bigger pack. So one minus I would like to share is the container. The plastic, though, appears to be strong. The finish is not so fine. It's got sharp edges, and when it was delivered, it was broken. You can see it was broken like this, and there was slight leakage. Both the bottle and the lid is cracked, so they can improve on the quality of this pack. So hope you liked watching the demo and the review, and you benefit out of this review. In case any of you have used this product or you are still using it, please share your experience in the comment section. I would like to hear about your experience. Thank you for watching. Till my next video, it's bye from Bhuvana.